Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download H410M HD3P download a driver. So first you have to come on this website www.gigabyte.com, and after that you can see this right hand side search button. So you enter your model number, okay, H410M HD3P, and then hit enter. So then click on the title of the motherboard. Then click to support. Then select your operating system, Windows 10 and 11. So which is you, if you are using Windows 10, so no worry about it because the installations process same. You can see this video and download the driver and install it. Okay. So first audio driver, and this is size, and you can download from just click to download. After that just open it, it will complete, and then double click. So find out the setup exe, you can see, and just double click it. Then require the administrator rights for, click on yes, and then next install, and then finish. Okay. Chipset. So first install Intel serial and click to download. Same, it will start downloading. It is completed, just open it, double click, and this is setup exe, and just click. And require for the next to install it, and then finish, and then close it. LAN driver, and LAN driver, and click to download. After loading, start downloading. Completed, then open it and double click to launch. Then click on yes. Now this is installing, and then it is close, and then close it, then VGA, and download. Always try to download latest driver. Then it is done, and just open it and double it to exe. Then click on yes. Now this is, so it is done, and close it.